Got to finish up this house project. Got a cabin out in the woods I'm going to build this year and get some videos going out there. Got a garden I'm going to put in. Got a lot of things going on. As soon as this weather clears up, got a lot of other projects going on, so I want to get the scrap cleaned up. Today I got a few items I'm going to tear apart. I'm going to start out with the ceiling fan. I'm going to try to get down to the motors. Got a few things that got electrical motors in them, and I'm going to start tearing them apart and get them ready for the scrap yard. Here's what we ended up with from the ceiling fan. I got some copper, a little bit of brass, insulated wire, aluminum, and steel. This one took about 45 minutes. A lot of rust on it. It's been sitting outside for a while. Usually they don't take that long. They usually take about 25-30 minutes. Anyway, we're going to weigh it up. Got about 9.5 pounds of steel, 2 pounds of aluminum, almost 1 pound of number 3 copper, about a 1/4 pound of insulated wire, about a 1/4 pound of brass. Now, I know you're not going to get a lot of money off this scrap, but at this point every little bit helps. Got most of the scrap cleaned up. Last couple of weeks me and my son been giving it hell going to the junkyard. Saved that stuff all this winter. Got that ceiling fan finished up. Got a few other fans, some aluminum to clean up, maybe a couple more loads to bring in, and we're going to move on to other projects. With that, thanks for watching and following along. Good luck on your scrapping adventures.